Hello everyone, it's me again, Happy Lou Vlog. So thank you for watching. Just enjoy life and more power to our channel. This is my channel, more on foods. We have an Arabian dishes and Filipino foods, panlasang Pinoy. And one of my routine is kinds of healthy vegetable salad here in Middle East. So thank you guys. Hi guys, it's me again, Happy Lou Vlog. So, start tayo dito sa ating Arabic bread. So, lagyan ko siya ng olive oil, and then sweet paprika, and some salt. So, ito toasted lang natin to. Then, ididip natin namin sa ating mild chunky salsa. Homemade. So, yun lang guys. Simpleng-simple guys. Food trip tayo. So, imimix lang and then i-oven ko lang. So, ito na guys, na-preheat ko na ang aking oven. Medyo madilim dito sa aming sa area ng aming small na oven. So, ito na, medyo toasted na siya. Pwede na nating i-dip sa ating chunky salsa with chips. So, pwede itong dinner. So, ito na rin ang aking dinner. Simpleng dinner, light lang siya. At ito yung ating gagamitin sa ating salsa. Meron tayong onion leeks, meron tayong onion red. If you are onion lover, may parsley, scrap na lemon for juice, and green chili if you are chili lover. And then meron din tayong chips, paprika and olive oil, some salt, black pepper. So ayan, pre-wash and pre-slice na siya. So if you have a green capsicum, you can add, and then ating food processor. So, konting paikot lang sa ating machine para hindi siya maging pino yung ating gulay. So, yun lang. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching guys. More power to our channel. God bless. So, ayan guys, konting ikot lang sa ating machine. So, pwede na. Transfer lang natin sa ating bowl. So, medyo spicy siya dahil chili lover ako and onion lover. So, then, ipi-plate lang natin for our dinner. Meron tayong Arabic bread and chips. Spicy chips din siya. So, I hope you like it guys. So, this is it guys. Ready to eat na. Try na din kung sinisipag-sipag kayo. So, bye-bye. It's me again, Happy Lou Vlogs.